Dragon R&W 3D is an innovative, digital knowledge and maker platform that combines technology, education, creativity and sustainability. The aim is to provide you with a central place where you can learn, discover, co-create and develop. The InfoHub forms the heart of the platform. Here you will find up-to-date information on technology, sustainability, education and innovation. A regular published newsletter, podcasts with exciting topics, interviews and explanatory formats, a blog with specialist articles, projects and opinion pieces, an integrated search engine that makes content structured and easy to find. The InfoHub serves as a central source of knowledge and inspiration. In the Maker area, the focus is on practice, creativity and participation. You will have access to worksheets for teaching, self-study and projects. A toolbox of carefully selected digital and technical tools. The ability to create and publish your own articles, content, and projects. This section is aimed at makers, teachers, learners, developers and creative minds. The integrated shop adds exclusive content and features to the platform. Premium access with advanced features. Gamified story puzzles that convey knowledge in a playful way. Homemade merch that combines technology and Dragon R&W identity. Additional content, tools, and special formats for supporters. Dragon R&W 3D stands for sustainability and responsible engineering. Knowledge exchange instead of knowledge hurdles. Participate, learn and create. Combining education, design, technology and community. The platform is not just an information offering, but a growing ecosystem where you can actively participate and add value.